Okay folks, we'll have a look at some the older types of farm machinery. This is the a petrol tractor called a farm all. Very basic in design. I don't know what year it was made, obviously back in the days when we had fossil fuel powered machines came online. Very basic tractor. There. So haven't got much information available on this one. Yeah, it's a 4-pot tractor, 4-cylinder. That's the exhaust manifold there. I don't know if these machines are actually running. The ones I saw a few years ago, they did have some other machines running. I don't know if these ones were. You can see they're very primitive compared to today's farm machinery. That's your steering arm up to your steering wheel. The old seat. Not much suspension on that one, so you can be a pretty rough ride at times, I guess. Old steel foot pedals. And this one here. This is another old type of farming machinery, a tractor. Fordson. To see what we've got from 1926. The petrol one. There's spark plugs there. Yeah, 4-cylinder I'd say. Only 4 spark plugs. Very heavy tractor this one. Just stand back a bit and get a better view of it. No tyres, all metal wheels, crank start, these were often fitted to the older type of tractors, give a bit of grip on the ground. As you can imagine, if it just had bare metal, it would slip, so this is just to give it a bit of a grip in the dirt and the ground, sometimes the mud. So there's no PTO on the backs other than just somewhere to hook up without towing something. Here's another one, right beside it. Instruction on how to drive it. It's a Cormac Deering. '28 model. Now this is something different. Some of the old tractors used to have this on the side through a gearbox to keep the engine running, and they'd hook up a big belt to it to drive some other equipment, might be a harvester or whatever the case may be. Something stationary anyway. But again, metal wheels. Here we go, here's some information on it. International Harvester Company, Chicago, USA. Very primitive compared to today's machinery, but hey, they did the job. Alright, we're going to have a look at another one. Okay, this is a case tractor, 1939 model, 4-cylinder petrol. Certainly that over the years the technology improved. Looks like this one has been working actually. The tyres are worn on it. Again, the same pulley system now that comes out of the crankcase through the gearbox to drive an external belt or some other sort of machinery, whatever they're using at the time. And that's pretty much the back of it there. Rubber tyres. No, I can't see a PTO on the back of this, but I've got this here for towing heavy farm equipment, machinery, that sort of stuff. So, that's the 4 tractors. Go and have a look at some other old machinery.